What up, y'all? It's every penny counts, and I just want to, continue to stress about this this site, Paidviewpoint. I mean, I'm just banging out surveys left and right in this site. My trade score is still at 10,000. I'm still getting these little quick, easy surveys, but they continue to add up. I literally just did 3 of them. When I first got on here, I had $33.21. Now I'm at $33.51. And I'm just gonna show you again how easy they are. Like every time I complete one, I have another one waiting for me. So I just continue to grind out on these. Like I said, you can do like 3 to 4 of these a day. I mean, within 10 minutes, I'm done. I'm doing like 3. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do another survey live for y'all. When I'm answering these questions, they're probably looking for certain answers to take me to another survey. But since I'm answering them honestly, I really haven't gotten another survey. But it's like, the high paying surveys haven't came yet, but they don't have many of them that stay too long. I mean, once they're out, I mean, they get them done. People sign up for these sites quick. So I'm gonna do this site real quick. This survey real quick, just to show you that, I mean, they're quick, they're easy, and you never disqualify for them. You just answering them honestly, according to your demographics that you filled out. I've done none of, well, maybe shampoos. I buy shampoo and hair conditioner. But next, very simple. Yes. Yes, because it's going to be more money for me. Vehicles do you own? I own Nissan. I mean, quick. It'll probably be like 12 questions, if that, when I'm doing this survey. It doesn't take long at all. What was your vehicle made? Do you purchase alcohol drink at home? Yes. No. I mean, very easy question. I mean, not difficult at all. Donna, did you try these 3 months ago? Click on all of them because I believe I have. Very quick, 10 cents, just like that. Another survey live for you. If you saw my video that I just posted on Paidviewpoint, you saw I had $33.21. I've done 4 surveys, very quick. Took me 2 minutes to do that survey. Got 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? So like that's 40 cents that I just accumulated within 10 minutes and easy questions. So if you're not familiar with this site or you haven't tried this site, you definitely should try it. Like I said, the link is in the description. Get started on today. Get your trade score up. They'll throw you surveys constantly left and right. You just got to be active on it. You can actually be notified when they drop a new survey out or when they have one out for you. All those kind of good things. So there's money in it. You can cash out at $15. That might seem high, but when you're doing these surveys like so quick and so easy, and you're just constantly knocking them out, that $15 comes around very quick. So if you're new, like I said, sign up today, click on the link in the description, and get started making this free money, taking easy surveys, and you will never, ever be disqualified for taking a survey on this site. So get it started today with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.